and it pops like this, so you get this V shape, and then you've got 4 squares inside. Again, I only played with this beautiful paper. It's a vintage paper. I don't know where it's coming from because it was gifted to me on a Happy Mail. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you are so very welcome. Today I'm so excited to share episode 6 of Fancy Fold Thursday. So far we've done episode 1 with the horizontal easel card, episode 2 with the tunnel card, episode 3 with the diamond card, episode 4 with the square pop-up card, episode 5 of the tower pinwheel card, one of my favorite, I must admit. All these templates, guys, are available to download on my Facebook group, so if you don't already, I will appreciate you go over there, just give me a big follow. I share pictures, videos, behind the scene, and all that things that you don't really see here on YouTube. So, and you guys share lots of projects as well, so there's a very interactive community when you see what other crafters do as well, which is the most important thing. Right, today I'm so excited to share, this is another Fancy Fold card. So that's the back, that's the front, and that's the back. The back I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm just going to put a white piece of cardstock after I wash my hands, so you can write a message. But it opens and it pops like this, so you get this V shape, and then you've got 4 squares inside. Again, I only played with this beautiful paper. It's a vintage paper. I don't know where it's coming from because it was gifted to me on a Happy Mail. It's gorgeous. I mean, you've got fishes, all this lovely collage of different papers. I love it, absolutely love it. It's very vintage, very shabby, if you want to call it like that. So what I will say, so you can use this 4 squares here. You can put pictures if you do like a memory card. You can put flowers, you can put embellishment, but because the paper is so gorgeous, I just want to leave it like that. And then as I said, it just stands perfectly straight like that. Okay, and then it folds like that. The final dimension are 5.5 by 4.5. Okay, so you can make a really nice envelope. Right, let me show you how to make it. First off, you need a piece of with 1 sheet of international A4, you get a card. So because this works like this, so you just need 1 sheet of A4. Fabulous. So for the main card, you need a piece of cardstock that is 11 by 4 and a quarter, and you fold it 5.5. Again, the template will be available to download on my group, so don't worry about writing everything down. So you get an easy rectangular shape. Okay, so that's the base of the card. Then you need another piece of card, which is cardstock, which is our mechanism, which is 11 by 1 3/8. Okay, which is the same length of the card, 1 3/8, and you fold it at 2 3/4, 5.5, 8 1/4, which is basically folded in 4. So you get four parts that are exactly the same. Okay, so what you do, guys, I just put some double sellotape already just for the speediness point of view. So you can use glue. I do prefer using dry adhesive because I don't want to make the card too thick. Okay, so what you do, you just put a tiny bit of adhesive on each edges on the end of the card, and then you just fold it in itself. You position it roughly in the middle. Of course, got to make sure it's right, and then you fold it over, and then you glue it just like that. Okay, so it's perfectly glued on the 2 ends. And then what it does, when you fold it, it just stays like this. Yeah, So very, very, very simple. So that's the main mechanism. Now, as I said, you don't have to use squares. You can use flowers, pictures, Polaroid. You can use anything. I did use these squares because I thought they were quite pretty. So what I did, I simply put a square on each side. There. Number 3. I mean, I'm not really, because I'm talking, I'm not really paying a lot of attention. But you want them to make sure they are perfectly aligned. And each square measures 2 by 2. Okay, so it's 2 inches by 2 inches. And then it goes there. Okay. Ta-da! That is literally it. That's the card, guys. So simple to make. Again, you could probably write a message on the back. Right, guys, I shush. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna ask, guys, just simply give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well, because you telling YouTube that you like what I make. So really appreciate a little thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.